You at a cat hotel? What? Hold on a minute. In Berlin, your cats have hotels? Where are they vacationing from? Stuttgart. They're at the hotel, fucking dancing to DJ Kitty Cat. Good for you. And that's your lady?
It's complicated.
But he's such a cool guy, and you're very beautiful. So why is it not happening? Why is it complicated? Complicated, you said? So it is happening. Complicated is happening. Happens sometimes. So I guess my question is, who's married? You're married.